Hey Beachbody coaches, it's Ben here at BodyPress Sites and I want to give you a quick demo of the customizer. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you're on your dashboard, you're going to want to go to the left hand side navigation and click on the customize link. And there's many options we can mess with on here, but I'm just going to show you the branding settings. So let's go ahead and check that out. And right away you can see that we have some colors we can choose from, and you can see the color picker on the left in the sidebar, and then you can see how that relates to the colors on the actual live site. So let's go ahead and change this pink to, let's say, maybe a teal, make it a little darker. And as you can see, that teal color updated on the actual live site. So now you have a really good idea of what that looks like. I'm not really a heart guy, I'm more of a star guy. So let's go ahead and switch out these heart icons with some stars. So as you can see, we have a lot of different options here. Let's go ahead and pick star 4. See what that looks like. And I think that looks pretty good, but let's take a look at maybe star 3. I like it, but I'm not sold quite yet. Not my style. That's perfect. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So that looks great. And as we scroll down, we can see that these colors are actually ingrained with your blog post and has a great user interface interaction. So, but maybe you're thinking, black is nice, but let's maybe try going with something else, maybe like a darker blue, kind of like a navy. Probably go a little darker. So that kind of brings some color back into it. And as you can see, that color updated here on these as well. So that's a really cool feature. You also notice we have some buttons here, and they do some really cool little animations. We can totally customize those as well. Let's scroll down here and button animation style. So let's check this out. Style 5. Right, so it's just a cool way to quickly make it your site. We want you to have the power and to be able to see it live and make it something that fits your persona. And this customizer is so awesome. I'm going to show you one more thing just because you might be, I'm not a big fan of the black and white image. Well, if we go to homepage settings, we were just on the branding settings. Let's go ahead and click that. As you can see, you can add your banner image right here, and it shows you a little thumbnail. And the original one was in color, but I really like the kind of black and white style, so I use this grayscale controller to make it black and white. But I'm not really feeling it so much anymore. So maybe I want to bring a little color back, maybe give it kind of a rustic vibe. Or if you want full color, go ahead and bring it all the way back to 0. And then you have full color. So I think that's a great feature as well. And you might have a picture of you and it might be cropped to the left or right. I mean, we make that really easy. You can go left with your key messaging and call to action. Or maybe you have text in the actual image itself and you don't want that messaging there, so you can easily remove that. Another option that I forgot to mention is you're able to change your header fonts, and these would be this font right here. I hope you enjoyed the demo. I hope you got a clear understanding of how the customizer can be very beneficial to you when you're actually making this site and trying to make it fit who you are and how you want to represent yourself on the internet. So thanks for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we would be happy to answer any questions you have.